Hey guys, it's me, man, and welcome back to another video where today we are going to be opening hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, so okay, so anyways, we're back. So today we are going to be opening a special package that I just got today, Friday. No, today's Thursday. Today, Thursday, April 27th. And today I got a fidget spinner. Oh yeah. So, anyways, guys, make sure to check out Nathan Buchanan's fidget spinner opening video, because his is pretty sweet too, and I'm not gonna spoil it for you, but so anyways, he got a fidget spinner and he also opened it. So this is mine right here, see, and we're going to open this. Let me, hold on, one sec. Alright, let me set the phone. There you go, right there. Alright, perfect. So, get ready. We're opening it up. As you can see, oops, as you can see, they also knocked over the phone. So, that's right. Check it out. It's my cool copper fidget spinner. It's very, very brand new and shiny. And let's start spinning, because fidget spinners are supposed to spin it. So, alright, so we're going to wait and see how long this can go. So guys, I've been waiting for a pretty long time. It's been spinning for 8 minutes, I think. So I just cut the video a few minutes because I didn't want you guys to wait this long. But it's still spinning. Wow, surprisingly. Man, when is this ever gonna stop? You know, when is this ever gonna stop? Come on. Come on. It's almost over. Okay, it's over. It's over. Yeah, it's alright. It's over. Alright. So, anyways, this thing can spin for, honestly, a pretty long time. Like 8 minutes. Just waited 8 minutes. So we're going to try one of those tricks, you know. So first, spin it. And, almost got it. Alright. Ah! I did it! Yeah, baby! Let's do it again. Ah. I did it! Oh, baby! Yeah, son, this is awesome! Why did I just pick up a napkin? This fidget spinner is really cool. So, I suggest you guys go to eBay and buy one, because this was like the last fidget spinner that guy who sold it to me all the way from California to Georgia. Like, it took like a few days, like 4 days or something, but this was like the last one that guy had. This is the last fidget spinner the guy had in stock to sell. So, yep, this is the fidget spinner. And as you know, you probably think that this is like a ninja weapon, but it's really not. Yep, it's really not a fidget spinner. You know, no, it is a fidget spinner, but it's not. But it's not a ninja weapon. So if any of you guys think this is a ninja weapon, well, you're probably wrong, because these are just made for enjoyment, I think. And for people who, I don't know, like people who can't control their energy and have too much energy. But, you know, I don't. I just have too much. I just drink coffee every morning. And this is super fun and super cool, and you should check out Nathan Buchanan's opening. And yep, shout out to Nathan Buchanan. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys. Wait. Fastest spin. Oh. And I'll see you guys later. See ya!